Where do we start our letters? So here's my lowercase a. I'm going to go around, back up, and down. I hope you're not done. We just started. I teach kindergarten here at Fair Park, and I have to say I enjoy it. And it's a passion of mine because, first of all, this is their first year in school. And the amount of growth you see from the day they start to the day they leave to first grade is amazing. And not only in the academics, that they come in maybe knowing no letters or sounds, and they leave as readers, is incredible. And it's more than just seeing them come in the beginning of the year unable to take care of themselves or to be very dependent on an adult, to at the end of the year, they come in and they do the things they need to do on their own because they've become very independent and they're very proud to be big kids. And I like to see that spark go off when they understand a concept, or when they realize they get it, or when they take bits and pieces of skills and they put it together. And that is part of the reason why I enjoy kindergarten, and it's a new humorous story almost every day.